Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to enable or disable haptic feedback in ColorBlock Jam. ColorBlock Jam is an engaging puzzle game that challenges players to slide colored blocks into matching doors. To enhance your gaming experience, you can adjust the haptic feedback settings. First of all, launch open ColorBlock Jam app on your device, and once you open it up, click on Settings button at the bottom right. Now there you will be able to see a vibration kind of a icon. To enable haptic feedback, toggle on the button and make sure that it turns green. After you do that, you'll be able to feel haptic feedback or vibration during the game. Now, if you ever want to disable it, get back to the settings menu and toggle off the button right next to the mobile vibrating icon, and that's it. That way you can easily turn off and on haptic feedback in ColorBlock Jam. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.